What I've come to share with the students is the knowledge of how to create parallel processes in team discussions as opposed to adversarial processes. This means that you can discuss controversial subjects in a way where you don't get tangled up in disagreements, but can work constructively towards a solution. The benefit of working with parallel processes is that you can create more efficient meetings and more efficient thinking processes together as a team. At the same time, you can create a stronger bonding in the team where you are better at mentalizing, at understanding what makes the other persons in the team tick. And this is an integral part of your team's culture to know how to talk to each other and with each other in a way where disagreements, frustration doesn't tear you apart, but can be used constructively to create better products and a better company.